Daddy's over there.
Hey, Dougie. Hey, go, James, go. Go, James, go. That is funny. Hey, Dougie. He's enjoying that so much.
He loves it. Occasionally they get like Colin and Dougie on there.
See if I can get 5 when they go by. I want 5, Dougie. Give me 5, Dougie. 5 from James, 5 from Dougie.
James.
5.
Look at he's got his hands around James's waist.
Yeah. A little more. Hi, guys. Oh!
Careful.
I'm okay, Mom.
Hi, you. You think you can get on too? Alright. You never know what's behind the person on the front of the sled. When it comes around the corner, you go, what's behind him? Hi, you. Smile. He's just holding on for dear life. It's over?
No, it is. Come on, Dad, get out.
Come on.
Yeah, that's ready. Put that in the car. Oh. Come on, Dad. Yeah. Yeah. Ta-da.